everybody? It's Vince Neer. This video is going to be about a book review on How to Make Shit Happen by Whalen and the 4 things you need to have in your daily schedule. Ever had that problem of focusing in on one goal but burning out? Well, the reason why I recommend this book is because it covers some important concepts that if you're burning out on your goals, you must incorporate this into your daily schedule in your life. And Whalen covers so many important concepts that he had to go through, that where he was focusing in on making money and he neglected his health, his family, his children, and whatever else was there. And just doing that will burn you out. And the best thing to do is to learn from other people's mistakes, which is why he wrote this book. So you can learn from his mistake and you can make your life better. The book, it covers an important concept called Core 4. What is Core 4, you're asking? Core 4 stands for power, passion, purpose, and production or productivity. So number 1, power. What is exactly power? Power stands for the things that drive you throughout your day, your body, and your mind. You should be strengthening your power to generate things throughout the rest of the things you're doing with your goals. And exercise and nutrition are highly crucial, especially nutrition, because nutrition is mainly where all your energy and where to build that body is from. So you need to build that nutrition, eat healthy foods, and follow the specific guide plan to get you to the exact healthy body type. And your body type or your body type goal might be different than mine. You might be bulking, you might be slimming down, you might be getting more toned. As long as you know exactly what to do, what you want, look it up. Look it up online, ask a trainer, ask your friends who are more fit than you to train you, to get you more knowledgeable and more fit than where you are right now, which is highly, highly crucial to get you started in the first place. It's even a good idea to get an accountability partner to raise yourself as well. Not only exercising, but what you should be doing is meditating, decluttering all the unnecessary things that are in your mind. And like I said in my previous videos, stop watching TV, that's not helpful. Stop listening to the radio when it is not giving you any benefits. And stop hanging out with people who aren't, or don't hang out with them as much if they're just gonna give you more negative feedback or not helping to benefit your life in a dramatic way, especially if you want to improve at a faster pace. And you should be reading as many books as possible to allow your mind to generate more creativity, more knowledge, and to build upon your expertise wherever it is. So don't just read random books as well, but build books that you want to be an expert in, that you want to apply into your life and make it for you. 2, passion. In the book, it covers passion that not only is it with your significant other, but it's your relationship with yourself and with other people. And whatever it is, you should make it a habit every single day to tell your significant other, even if the passion is not there, just tell them that you love them, or give them an affirmation, or make daily rituals, daily routines to show them that you love them. And whatever it is, give them flowers, go above and beyond, and really make it a habit to show them that you really care for them or you really love them. And for yourself, you can do the same exact thing. What do you enjoy doing? Maybe you enjoy playing video games or something. Well, after you finish your goals, go play video games. Or maybe you want to do some self-introspection, have some time to journal out things, to be self-aware, to understand what you exactly enjoy and how your goals and how you've changed throughout the life up until now, which is very, very crucial to do and to learn to understand. And the 3rd thing, which is purpose. And your purpose is your goals, right? You should be updating your goals on a consistent basis. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. But what I recommend to you guys is maybe every month, 6 months, and a year. Because after taking in different parts of life, your perspective and the things you want might be changing. So update what exactly and what you want in your goals. Maybe now after slimming down, you want to bulk up. Maybe if you're a single guy or single woman, you want to meet that specific type of person. Write down exactly what that person is, what qualities they have, what they look like, and zoom in specifically on what it is that you exactly want. So next time you go out there, you can think about where exactly you can meet that person and what qualities you need to build inside yourself to meet that person, because it all starts down from who do I have to become to attract that person or maybe that thing into your life. So zoom in on your purpose. And 4, production or productivity. These things are crucial because what he mentions in the book is that you should be doing things, not just random things like, oh, I'm gonna clean my house, I'm going to just start doing random stuff. No, do things that would help you, make money. What he recommends in that book. Maybe pick up a second job, maybe have some time to figure out where your money is going in and out of, maybe pick up a side hustle and work in that thing to build you income either for the short term or the long term. Because if you're just wasting your life, if you're just watching TV, you're just paying somebody for the entertainment, unless you enjoy it, right? But at the same time, what I say is you can still enjoy these things, but you should also be making your time as productive as possible. And what Sean Whalen says in this book is that no matter what kind of excuses you have, saying I have no time to do any of these things, and I'm in a situation where I can't be doing these. Look, we all have the same amount of time as everybody else. We have 168 hours a week. And if you really look at what you're actually using in your daily day, your daily week, and your daily months, if you're not scheduling things, you're wasting time. You should be doing things to build up your life in the most best way possible. And core 4, what Sean Whalen created, is so crucial, because if you're just working on one of these subjects, and then you would be burning out. And what I found for myself and other people who are successful is that if you're covering 4 basic things, well, she made it very, very simplified. Core 4, power, passion, purpose, and production, then you will be less likely to be burned out, and you'll be achieving a lot more because you're hitting a lot more of your needs met. And as human beings, we need our passion. We need to build relationships with ourselves, with other people. We need to build that power to generate ourselves, to get more energy for ourselves and for our mind. And our purpose, well, we need to be clear about what we want, or else we'll be wasting time. We're just robots, we're just animals. We have to have clarity. And production, well, some of you guys are thinking money is the root of all evil. No, money is an amplifier to the things you want in life, and is also a source for freedom. It also is an indicator for what positive rewards and work that you're putting in to help other people. So that's why I recommend this book, How to Make Shit Happen by Sean Whalen, is because he's covering things that are very, very basic, putting into 4 categories to meet your needs and to put into your daily goals to make you less burned out, to be achieving a lot more in your life and be more fulfilled. I highly recommend it, and I'll also leave it in the description below for you to check out, and it would also help my channel for you to purchase it as well. So if this book review really helped you, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel as well. And if you like me reviewing books like this, I would absolutely keep on doing it and cover the most important concepts that I have found, because hey, reading is a big habit to do, and it's very, very crucial to learn, to always be learning, and to always be growing as a person. All right, everybody, Vince Neer, peace and out.